Providing an artistic expression to the hopes and dreams of the people, the Meghalaya Trinamool Congress on Wednesday launched the campaign song in two languages, that is Khasi and Garo, that were officially launched simultaneously in Shillong and Tura. The song Hoi Kiu Haka TMC in Khasi and Ahowi Inchrona in Garo encapsulates the energy of the people of Meghalaya, calling everyone to march towards development and change with Meghalaya TMC. TMC State President Charles Pungrop launched the Khasi version of the song in the State Party office along with Rajya Sabha MP Derek O'Brien, who is also the leader of the AITC Parliamentary Party, while Trinamool Congress Legislature Party leader and leader of the opposition Dr. Mukul Sangma introduced the Garo version in the Tura office in the presence of other Meghalaya TMC leaders and media persons.
Hi 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 Hoi Haka TMC si Turki sentiu Meghalaya bantulan Hoi Haka TMC si Turki sentiu Meghalaya bantulan.
Today we are going to launch the campaign song of the state for the assembly elections, and Meghalaya TMC has always believed in empowering the people, upholding the traditional culture and celebrating the sacred land. Our campaign song resonates with these cherished ideals and embodies the hope and aspirations of every single resident of Meghalaya. Now, to be very brief, through this song, we would like to celebrate the grandeur of the musical legacy of our state, the brilliance of our musical instruments, and the wondrous talent of the artists of Meghalaya. The campaign song also reverberates the yearnings of the people of Meghalaya for better days to come. Meghalaya TMC is aligned with the betterment of this beautiful state, and this progressive vision is reflected in everything we do.
There are two things actually happening today. One is the launch of the campaign song, which is new. And two, also new, is the music video. Who has created this? The people of Meghalaya. Who has written the lyrics for this? The people of Meghalaya. Who has visualized this? The people of Meghalaya. Who has edited this? The people of Meghalaya. So it's so much of the heart of the state in this song, which you're going to see. And we want the young people of Meghalaya. We want the women of this lovely state. We want the men. We want everybody in the next few weeks to celebrate the music.